Hello everyone and welcome to another Secret Lair unboxing. So this is from the artist series Volkan Bagan. I am sorry if I pronounce your name wrong. So as people know, in the previous series I opened another one of these and I way prefer these more than any other that they've done because you get a satisfying and then no wasted of boxes and stuff. So So in this one, you get a different thank you note. I think the artists themselves come up with these. I'm not 100% sure, but let me know in the comments down below if that is true or not. So when it comes to this set, I now know that I will always check to see if there's anything else in there, but there is not. So this one, I now know that the special card is at the very back. So I wonder what it is in this set. One of the things I liked about both of these is the front card was the main reason I bought this. So for the people that don't know, collect Planeswalkers. So I do not have this Elspeth Knights Errant. Sorry, I'm butchering that name. But for 2 and a white, you get a legendary Planeswalker Elspeth. That is a mythic. So that's on 4 loyalty. She has +1, create a 1/1 white creature token. +1 again. Target creature gets +3/+3 and gains flying until end of turn. Or the -8, you get an emblem with artifact creatures, enchantments, and lands you control are indestructible. So this is a really good card, especially since the ult is actually quite powerful. Creating a 1/1 soldier token isn't really the greatest thing, but I really do like the art. I really like how the spear comes out of the card, and I'm so happy that this is going to be part of my collection. Next up is Patron Wizard. For 3 blue, you get a creature, human wizard that is a rare. Tap and untap the wizard you control. Counter target spell unless its controller pays 1, and it is a 2/2. This card here, nothing wrong with the art, nothing wrong with the card itself. It is a very beautiful card. I really like everything about it. However, this was the main reason I was questioning buying the set, because I don't have a wizard deck and I'm not planning on making a wizard deck, and for 3 blue pips I don't really think it's worth it, but the art is absolutely amazing. Props to the artist. Next we have Berserk. For 1 green you get an instant that is a mythic. Cast this spell only before your combat damage step. Target creature gains trample and gets +X +0 until end of turn, where X is its power, and at the beginning of the next end step, destroy a target creature if it attacked this turn. This card here is the second reason I bought this, because I have a Golter deck, and this is one of the broken cards in it, because if you make Golter unblockable with Rogue's Passage, for 1 green you pop someone out the game with commander damage. So the fact that I get to use this now in a very pretty art makes me so much happy, and I absolutely love the art of this card. Next up is Venduran Enchantress. For 1 and 2 green, you get a creature, human druid that is a rare. Whenever you cast an enchantment spell, you may draw a card and it is a 0/2. I find that art, again, absolutely amazing. I've loved all the art of these cards. I don't currently have an enchantment deck, but there is so many times I've been wanting to make one, and I've had a few in the past. So I think this is a really good staple for those type of enchantment cards. So it was a good reason for me to buy this. And then finally, by the way, I don't know what the last card is, so I'm excited. So I'm finding out. Oh, it's the sketch version of Elspeth. Ooh, so Elspeth Knight Errant. I'm not going to go through it because I've gone through it before. Personally, I actually prefer the sketch one than the normal one. So hopefully I will actually, if I ever use one of these in a deck, I'll be using this one. But they're both gone in the folder. So, my thoughts over this. Absolutely amazing buy. I love every single one of these cards except for really the wizard. But I think overall it is worth it, especially if you're going to use 2 or 3 of the cards. So let me know what you think of this set or this secret layer in the comments down below, and let me know which Elspeth you found better, or if there was any of the secret layers you bought, because I wanted 3 but only bought 2, but I'm happy with the 2 I bought. So remember to like, subscribe, and follow all my social media, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.